defaults that go in for each notification for each event. And first of all, you go into settings, you go to advanced, you go to new notifications, and here you see all the different events. Now if you want to see what the defaults are, you click on this little arrow here, and then it opens up the different notifications here. So you've got your email and you've got your SMS notifications. If they're like that, they are disabled, switched off. To switch them on, you would just open them, and you'd need to switch them on to read them. So I would go through everything, switch them all on, and then switch them all off, deciding whether you want to use them or not. So if you have a look at this screen, this is information pulled through from the last order that's on the system. If you come to this here, this shows what has been written, the default text. What comes through here, that we use something called variables, which pulls information from different parts of your system or different parts of the order process. So this all comes through here. You can see these things in brackets are variables. Sometimes it pulls things through, like over here it's saying fulfillment method capitalized, so it will say what this is. So this says delivery order details. If that was a collection, it would say collection order details. So it's quite smart in that sense, I would say. So I would probably go through and make sure you're happy. If you're not happy and you want to change something but you're not sure how to, obviously just reach out, we'll help you out. But you can update your text here. You can just edit that and it would change it here. So that's your standard text that goes out. If you want to change any of the variables, you would click here, and these are all the different variables you could use. You would just copy them and then paste them in the relevant area in here. The signature, that is what we call a block, and that gives the business address, let's see if I've got it over here. Here we go. That gives the business address, the phone number, the email, and the VAT number in the signature. Yeah, so I would just check I was happy with everything there. So that is the email notification. If you come down to the next one, that's the SMS notification. Now the SMS notifications are necessarily quite short, and that is because they've been designed to only be small and only use one SMS notification out of your quota. So just to keep your costs for your SMSs less. But there we go, that shows you again there. So read through everything for every event, decide if you want them enabled or disabled, and if you go through all of that, then when you are happy, you can look at activating your new notifications. I will show you how to do that in another video.